The electric vehicle era is accelerating. But behind the progress, silent dangers grow. In 2021 alone, EV fires surged by over 200%. Traditional fire systems just aren't enough. With 29 years of field experience, we bring together 21 fire engineers, 7 electrical experts, and a dedicated team of specialists. Our patented EV fire suppression system, recognized in Korea and the US, is the result of certified innovation. Our company is a recognized SME, venture business, and women-led enterprise, with an in-house R&D center driving continuous growth. Now, meet the EVFC system. In a normal parking state, it instantly detects off-gas from an EV fire. A voice alert is triggered, and the system engages. Full suppression. Complete protection. We're building a safer future, free from the threat of EV fires.